Hi beautiful, thank you so much for watching. Welcome to a new video. I have many skin concerns. Spider veins is not one of them. However, I do enjoy creating content that has been requested by you, and I have gotten various DMs and comments asking for a video like this. So I have spent the last 3.5 months on and off doing research about this topic, and I feel very confident in the quality of the DIY recipes that I'm going to share with you today. I should mention that aside from today's video, I have created a blog post that includes causes of spider veins, prevention, because that's really important, in-office procedures, and essentially everything you should know and all the details about the recipes I'm sharing today. The link to the blog post is in the description of this video. I hope you're going to check it out and enjoy it. If you are enjoying this right now, please give it a like, and if you have a friend that is looking for home remedies for spider veins, I encourage you to share the good news. With that said, thank you again for watching. I love you, and let's get started.
Gotta make it all legit and hear me call it in advance. Gotta stack my chips high in the sky, building myself a castle in the class before I die. I'm on a run, I'm on inside, and all the out, I'm looking fresh. Lessons until my death, keep it real with every fan, march as strong as we progress. And all I know now is I got it now, I got it on a one-way trip, on a wave now. And I don't know how, but I got it too exotic, tripping, homie, we don't play around. I'm on a one-way trip, on a one-way trip away now. I'm singing never look down to the ground, away now.
You can use these recipes on other areas affected by spider veins as well.
I'm on a one-way trip, on a one-way trip away now. One-way trip. And all I know now is I got it now, I got it on a one-way trip, on a wave now. And I don't know how, but I got it too exotic, tripping, homie, we don't. I'm on a one-way trip, on a one-way trip away now. I'm singing never look down to the ground, away now. A one-way trip. I'm on a one-way trip, on a one-way trip away now. I'm on a one-way trip, on a one-way trip away now. A one-way trip.
If you get inspired in any shape or form, got something of value, or simply enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see. Don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I appreciate you so much for being here, and I'll see you again very soon in a new video. Bye!